Today's subject is health education and community pharmacy, and you have to see the chapter number 2, that is nutrition and health. And in this lecture you have to see the classification of vitamins, that is water soluble vitamins, that is B complex and vitamin C. Then you have to see in this lecture you have to see the vitamins, their disease conditions, their source and their important functions one by one. You have to see the water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C. You have to see the first vitamin in water soluble vitamins are the vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Then disease conditions of vitamin B1 is beriberi, and second is the wrinkles and encephalopathy. Then beriberi, this disease condition occurs due to the poor diet or due to the alcoholism, and it is characterized by the neuropathy. Then second disease is wrinkles and encephalopathy. It is characterized by the mental retardation or confusion state. It is called as wrinkles and encephalopathies. It is generally due to the mental retardation. Then what is the source? The pears, then beans, then oatmeal, peanuts, vegetables and fruits. These are the sources of vitamin B1. And next is important function. The important function of vitamin B1 is helps the body cells change carbohydrate into the energy. This is the first important function of the vitamin B, that is vitamin B1, that is thiamine. And second is it helps in muscle contraction and conduction of the nerve signals. So these are important functions of vitamin B1. Then next we have to see the vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Then the disease condition is angular stomatitis. The angular stomatitis means inflammation and cracks in the one or both corners of the mouth. It is called as angular stomatitis. Then the sources are milk, egg, liver, kidney, green leafy vegetables, meat and fish. These are the sources. And important functions are it contributes to the maintenance of normal skin, mucous membrane, red blood cells and vision. Then next important function is nerve system function. This is the functions of vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Then next is vitamin B3, that is called as niacin or nicotinic acid. Then disease condition is pellagra. This pellagra disease is characterized by the dry skin or mouth ulcers. It is called as the pellagra. It affects the mostly skin. Then sources are the liver, kidney, meat, fish, legumes and groundnuts. And important function of vitamin B3 are the first is converting carbohydrate into the glucose. Then second is metabolizing fats and proteins. And third is keeping nerve system working properly. These are the important functions of the vitamin B3, that is niacin. Then fourth is vitamin B6, that is called as pyroxine. Then disease conditions occurs are the loss of weight and second anemia in the children. These are the disease condition of vitamin B6. And the sources are the milk, liver, meat, egg yolk, fish, cereals, legumes and vegetables. And the functions are first regulate growth of the children and second is the prevention of the anemic condition, that is anemia. These are the functions of vitamin B6, that is pyroxine. The next is fifth is folic acid, also called as the folate. Then disease conditions are defective mutation of RBCs, that is red blood cells, that occurs megaloblastic anemia. Megaloblastic means increase the size of the cell, that is megaloblastic anemia. Then sources are it is mostly present in vegetarian foods, that is cabbage, spinach, green leafy vegetables, etc. And what is the function? The function of folic acid, the first help tissue growth and cells work, and second is helps to form the red blood cells to prevent the anemia, that is anemic conditions. The next vitamin is vitamin B12, that is cyanocobalamin. The disease condition occurs is megaloblastic anemia. Then the sources are disease occurs presently in the non-vegetarian food like meat, beef, liver, kidney, egg, milk, leguminous plants. It is present in very little source in vegetarian source, that is leguminous plants occurs in very little source. Then important functions are, it first helps to keep body, nerve and blood cells healthy, and second is helps form red blood cells to prevent the anemia. These are important function of vitamin B12, that is cyanocobalamin. And last is vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. The disease condition is scurvy is characterized by the, for example, bleeding of gums and loosening of the teeth. Then important sources are the citrus fruits, tomatoes, green leaf vegetables, amla and guava. It is the important sources of the vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. And next is the function. The functions are help to protect the cells, and second, maintaining the healthy skin, blood vessels, bones and cartilage, bones and wound healing. These are the important function of vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. Then in this lecture we have to see the complete details about the water soluble vitamins, that is B complex and vitamin C, their what is vitamin, then their disease condition, their sources and their functions.